So in this video, we will discuss the formulas related to de Broglie's concepts. So de Broglie told that electron is having both particle nature as well as wave nature. If the electron is having both particle nature and wave nature, then you can tell that it is having dual nature. So if it is having dual nature, then E is equal to h nu, that is Max Planck's equation. From that one we can tell that E is equal to hc by lambda. From Einstein mass energy equivalence relationship, E is equal to mc square. With the same energy have the two expressions, then if we are equating these two, hc by lambda is equal to mc square. C gets cancelled. Then lambda is equal to h by mc. If I am replacing this c by velocity v, then h is equal to mv. So for de Broglie formula, if you know the mass and velocity, lambda is equal to h by mv. This is the fundamental formula used to calculate de Broglie wavelength when you know the mass of the species and the velocity of the electron. We know that mass into velocity of an object can be taken as momentum, then lambda is equal to h by p, where p it is nothing but momentum. So this is another formula used to know that particular de Broglie wavelength. And now I am telling that we know that half mv square is equal to kinetic energy. Then multiplying that equation by using m, then you can get half mv whole square is equal to mke. And we know that m into v can be taken as the momentum, half into p square is equal to mke. Then you can tell that p square is equal to 2mk. Then you can tell that p is equal to square root of 2mk. So from this expression, lambda is equal to h by square root of 2mke. So this is another formula used to calculate the de Broglie wavelength when you know the value of ke. So lambda is equal to h by m is the fundamental formula. Lambda is equal to h by p and lambda is equal to h by square root of 2mk. For example, to stop the kinetic energy, you are applying the opposite potential that is called as EV. Here E it is nothing but the charge of the species and V it is nothing but the accelerated potential. Then 2mke is equal to 2mev. In the place of 2mke, you can keep 2mev, then lambda is equal to h by square root of 2mev. So where h it is nothing but Planck's constant, m it is nothing but the mass of the species, E it is nothing but the charge, and V it is nothing but accelerated potential. If I am substituting the value of h and m and as well as the E charge for the electron, then lambda is equal to, you can get as 12.24 by square root of V in angstroms. That is the formula used to calculate de Broglie wavelength for the electron when you substituting the value of h as well as m as well as E